Welcome one and all. So coming to exercise 1.1 question number 3. Exercise 1.1 question number 3. Question number 1 and question number 2 we had already solved in the earlier video. Thank you for the responses. If you would like to view my upcoming videos, then you will have to subscribe first. So please subscribe, then you will be able to view my upcoming videos. So let's come to question number 3. For the following APs, find the first term and the common difference. Question number 3 is you have to find the first term and the common difference. The first question in question number 3 is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. So this is exercise 1.1, question number 3. Here they have asked you the first term. Here first term a equal to 3 and common difference d equal to a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1. So you will have 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. Therefore your a is 3 and d is minus 2. Second one, you have to only find out a and d. So the second question is minus 5, minus 1, 3 and 7. So you have to find out the first term and the common difference. The first term a is equal to minus 5, d is equal to a2 minus a1. So equal to minus 1 minus of minus 5. So you will have minus 1 plus 5, that is plus 4. Therefore d is equal to plus 4. In the same way you have question 3 and question 4. Question 3 is 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3 and 13 by 3. So here your a is the first term 1 by 3, d is a2 minus a1, 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. This is your a1, a2, a3, a4. So a2 minus a1, you will have 4 by 3. Therefore a is equal to 1 by 3, d is equal to 4 by 3. The third sum. The fourth sum 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9 and so on. So here your a is 0.6, your d is a2 minus a1, 1.7 minus 0.6. So this will be 1.1. Therefore d is 1.1. Question number 4, exercise 1.1, question number 4. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find common difference d and write 3 more terms. So here you have to see whether the given list of numbers are in AP. If they are not in AP, then we have to mention they are not in AP. If they are in AP, then we have to find the next 3 terms. How do we come to know whether they are in AP or not? For that we have to find a d. If d is constant, then the given list of numbers are in AP or else not. So the first question is 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. Here if d is constant, then the list of numbers are in AP. So find out d. d is equal to a2 minus a1, 4 minus 2 is 2. Again, D is equal to A3 minus A2. 8 minus 4. It is 4. So here you can see that when we did A2 minus A1 it was 2. When we did A3 minus A2 it was 4. It means that D is not constant. Here D is not constant. Here D is not constant. Therefore, the list of numbers do not form an AP. Because D is not constant, the list of numbers do not form an AP. The second question, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and so on. So here also we have to find the value of D. So D is equal to A2 minus A1, 5 by 2 minus 2. So one we have fraction and the other one is a whole number. So take divided by 1, take LCM, LCM is 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 twos are 2. So it will be 5 minus 4, that is 1 by 2. Similarly, again take D is equal to A3 minus A2, 3 minus 5 by 2. So again 3 is a whole number, so take the LCM, 2 is 6 minus 5. So it is again 1 by 2. Here we have the first value of D is 1 by 2. When we found out A3 minus A2 it was 1 by 2. It means that here D is constant. Here D is constant. Therefore, the list of numbers form an AP. Okay, if they are forming an AP, then we have to find out the next 3 terms as mentioned in the question. Write 3 more terms. Then you have to write the next 3 terms are So we are already having A1, A2, A3, A4. So we have to find out A5, A6 and A7. So what is A5? A4 plus D. A1, A2, A3, A4. 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will give you 8 by 2, that is 4. 2 ones are, 2 fours are. So you have A6 is equal to A5 plus D. What is your A5? 4. 4 plus 1 by 2. Same, take LCM. 8 plus 1. It is 9 by 2. Then you take A6 plus D. Then it will be 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. That is 10 by 2. You will have 5. Therefore, the next 3 numbers are 4, 9 by 2 and 5. So, these will be your next 3 numbers. Question number 3. Main question 4, sub question 3, minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2 and so on. Here D is equal to A2 minus A1, minus 3.2 minus 1.2. So it will be minus 3.2 plus 1.2. You will have minus 3.2 plus 1.2. You will have minus 1.0, that is equal to minus 2. Minus 2. Now again D is equal to A3 minus A2, minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2. So this will be minus 5.2 plus 3.2. It is again minus 5.2 plus 3.2. 1 is minus, 1 is plus, put greater number sign, subtract numbers. Rules of integers. So it is minus 2. So you have D, both the sides minus 2. Here D is constant. Here D is constant. Therefore, list of numbers form an AP. List of numbers form an AP. If they form an AP, we have to find out the next 3 terms. Therefore, the next 3 terms are A1, A2, A3, A4 is given. So, you have A5. A5 is equal to A4 plus D minus 7.2 plus of minus 2. You will have minus 7.2 minus 2 will be minus 9.2. A6 is equal to A5 plus D. So, what is your A5? Minus 9.2. Minus 9.2 plus of minus 2 will give you minus 9.2 minus 2, it will be minus 11.2. You have A7 is equal to A6 plus D equal to minus 11.2 plus of minus 2. You will have minus 11.2 minus 2, that is minus 13.2. Therefore, the next 3 numbers are minus 9.2, minus 11.2 and minus 13.2. Therefore, your next 3 numbers are minus 9.2, minus 11.2 and minus 13.2. The 5th question, the given sum is, the given list of numbers are 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. Here first find whether the given list of numbers are in AP. For that you have to find out D. Here D is equal to A2 minus A1. 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So here plus 3 and minus 3 gets cancelled. You get root 2. Similarly, D is equal to A3 minus A2. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. Whenever a binomial comes and a subtraction sign comes, put the subtraction sign and take the binomial in a bracket. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2 plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled. 2 root 2 minus root 2. Root 2 means 1 root 2. So, 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 will give you again root 2. So, here also we have root 2, here also we have root 2. Therefore, D is constant. D is constant. Therefore, numbers are in AP. So, if they are in AP, we have to find out the next 3 terms. So, let's find the next 3 terms. The next 3 terms are A5 equal to A4 plus D. Your A4 is 3 plus 3 root 3, 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. So, this is 3 root 2 and root 2, it will become 4 root 2. So, it is 3 plus 4 root 2. Coming to A6, A5 plus D. Your A5 is here, this is your A5, 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2. So, this will become 3 plus 5 root 2. So, this is your A6. Coming to A7, A6 plus D. Your A6 is here, 3 plus 5 root 2, your D is root 2. So, these are like terms, 3 plus 6 root 2. So, what are your next 3 numbers? 3 plus, the next 3 numbers are 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2 and 3 plus 6 root 2. So, this will be your next 3 terms of AP. Coming to the 6th sum, 0.2, the given terms are 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222 and so on. This is the given list of numbers. this list of number is given to you. Here you have to find out D is equal to A2 minus A1. 0.22 minus 0.2. Come to the working column. 0.22 minus 0.2 will give you 0.02. 0.02. This is your D. Again D is equal to A3 minus A2. A1, A2, A3. 0.222 minus 0.22. 0.222 minus 0.22 will give you 0.002. So here your D is 0.02. Here your D is 0.002. Therefore, D is not constant. D is not constant. Therefore, numbers are not in AP. Numbers are not in AP. Next question, seventh one. The seventh question, 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. So here you find out D. D is equal to A2 minus A1, minus 4 minus 0 is minus 4. Again D is equal to A3 minus A2, minus 8 minus of minus 4 will give you minus 8 plus 4, that is minus 4. So here and here D is equal to minus 4. D is constant. Here D is constant. If D is constant, therefore given numbers are in AP. If the given numbers are in AP, then we have to find out the next three numbers. Therefore the next three numbers are here we have A5. A5 is equal to A4 plus D. Your A4 is minus 12 plus of minus 4. You will get minus 12 minus 4, that is minus 16. A6 is equal to A5 plus D. Minus 16 plus of minus 4. Minus 16 minus 4 is minus 20. A7 is equal to A6 plus D. It is minus 20 plus of minus 4. Minus 20 minus 4 will give you minus 24. Therefore, the next three terms are minus 16, minus 20 and minus 24. The eighth sum is, the given eighth sum is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and so on. Solution. Here D is A2 minus A1. So you get minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. So this will be minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Both gets cancelled. It is 0. Again D equal to A3 minus A2. Minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. You get minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Both get cancelled. So it's 0. Here D is constant. Here D is constant. Therefore, given numbers are in AP. Therefore, given numbers are in AP. If they are in AP, then we have to find the next three terms. The next three terms are A5. A5 equal to A4 plus D minus 1 by 2 plus 0 minus 1 by 2. A6 is A5 plus D minus 1 by 2 plus 0 is minus 1 by 2. A7 is A6 plus D. You have A6 as minus 1 by 2 plus 0 will give you minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the next three numbers are, therefore, the next three terms of an AP are minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Coming to the ninth question, The given sum is 1, 3, 9, 27 and so on. Here D is equal to A2 minus A1, 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Again D is equal to A3 minus A2, 9 minus 3 equal to 6. You can see that one D is 2, the other D is 6. Here D is not constant. Here D is not constant. Therefore, the list of numbers are not in arithmetic progression. When they are not in arithmetic progression, you need not find the next three terms. The 10th question, the given terms are A, 2A, 3A, 4A and so on. So here D is A2 minus A1, 2A minus A, that is A. Again D is A3 minus A2, it is a 3A minus 2A, it is again A. So here you can see D is constant. D is constant. Therefore, the list of numbers are in AP or they form an AP. They are in AP or they form an AP. They form an arithmetic progression. The next three terms are. So here it is A5 equal to A4 plus D. So here A4 is 4A. 4A plus A will give you 5A. A6 is A5 plus D. It is 5A plus A equal to 6A. A7 is equal to A6 plus D. Your A6 is 6A. 6A plus A is 7A. Therefore, the next three terms are 5A, 6A and 7A. 5A, 6A and 7A. Coming to the 11th sum, A square, A cube, A4 and so on. Here D is equal to A2 minus A1, A square minus A. A means A raised to 1. A raised to 2 minus A raised to 1 will be A raised to 1, or we say again A. Again D is equal to A3 minus A2, A cube minus A square. When the bases are same, A raised to 3 minus A raised to 2 is equal to A raised to 1 or A. Here again we have D is constant. D is constant. Therefore, terms are in AP. Terms are in AP or the given numbers are in AP. If they are in AP, find the next three terms. So your next three terms will be A5 is equal to A4 plus D. Your A4 is A raised to 4 plus A will give you A raised to 5. A6 is A5 plus D. A raised to 5 plus A will give you A raised to 6. Next term is A7, A6 plus D. A raised to 6 plus A will give you A raised to 7. Therefore, your next three terms are A raised to 5, A raised to 6 and A raised to 7. Coming to the 12th question. Root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32 and so on. Here find D is equal to A2 minus A1, root 8 minus root 2. Root 8 can be written as 4 into 2 minus root 2. So it is 2 root 2 minus root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is again root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is again root 2. 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 will give you root 2. Again D is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 is root 18 minus root 8. This is 9 into 2, 4 into 2. This is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 will give you again 1 root 2. So here your D is constant. Here D is constant. Therefore, list of numbers are in AP. The next three terms are A5 is equal to A4 plus D root 32 plus root 2. Root 32 plus root 2. Root 32 is 16 into 2 plus root 2 is 4 root 2 plus root 2 is 5 root 2 or root 50. 5 5 is 25, 25 2 is 50. A6 is equal to A5 plus D. Root 50 plus root 2. Root 50 is 5 root 2 plus root 2. It is 6 root 2. It can be 6 root 2 or it can be 6 6 is 36. 36 into 2. 36 into 2 is 72. Then A7 is equal to A6 plus D root 72 plus root 2 root of it is 6 root 2 plus root 2 is a 7 root 2 or it can be 49 into 2 root 98. Therefore, the next three numbers are the next three terms of the AP are 5 root 2, 6 root 2, 7 root 2 or it can be root 50, root 72, root 98. Root 50, root 72 and root 98. Coming to the 13th question. Root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12 and so on. Here D is equal to root 6 minus root 3. Take root 3 common, you get root 3 minus 1. Again take D is equal to root 9 minus root 6. Again take root 3 common. Root 3 minus, here it becomes root 3 into root 2. So root 2 remains here. So one of our D is root 3 into root 3 minus 1. One of our D is root 3 into root 3 minus root 2. So both the D's are different. Here D is not constant. D is not constant. Therefore, the list of numbers are not in AP. Therefore, the list of numbers are not in arithmetic progression. Coming to the 14th question, it is 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square and 7 square. And further we have the numbers. Check out whether they are in AP or not. D is equal to A2 minus A1, 3 square minus 1 square, 9 minus 1 equal to 8. D is equal to A3 minus A2, 5 square minus 3 square, 25 minus 9 is 16. So one is 8, the other is 16. Here D is not constant. D is not constant. Therefore, terms are not in AP. Are not in arithmetic progression, or we can say therefore given list of numbers are not in AP. Coming to the 15th question, this is the last sum in this exercise 1.1. The last sum is 1 square, 5 square, 7 square and 73 they have given you. Here D is equal to A2 minus A1, 5 square minus 1 square will give you 25 minus 1, 24. Again D is equal to A3 minus A2, 7 square minus 5 square, 49 minus 25 is 24. Here D is constant. D is constant. Therefore, list of numbers are in arithmetic progression. The next three terms. If the given list of numbers are in arithmetic progression, then we have to find the next three terms. So A5 equal to A4 plus D, 73 plus 24, it's 97. A6 is equal to A5 plus D, 97 plus 24, 121. A7 is equal to A6 plus D, 121 plus 24 will give you 145. Therefore, the next three terms are 97, 121 and 145. We have completed with exercise 1.1. I have solved all the sums in my video. If you have understood the sums, if you like my video, then please do like and subscribe for further upcoming videos.